Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Boxycharm unboxing day. It is April 9th. I never get my Boxycharm before the 15th of any month, and this month I got it actually on the 7th, which was crazy. So today is the 9th. I finally have some time to try it on, so let me show you what I got. It was a little weird, I'll just say that. Okay, so one of the first things I got was this, the Pharmacy Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. I love face oils. I use a face oil every single evening. I use the Josie Marin Argan Oil. There was one of them in the, what's it called, FabFitFun box, but it's a staple and I've used it for years and years. This one looks pretty cool. So the claims, says it's paraben free and all of that good stuff, cruelty free, all of that, but it says it's a fast absorbing, luxurious, lightweight oil that delivers intense moisture. So this one, apply to face or targeted areas. They say you can do it in morning and evening, and that you can use it in your hair, which is really cool. So this is what the bottle looks like. I already unpackaged it. It is very pretty. I can't remember if I've smelled it yet. It smells very nice. It's like, it's not a honey smell, but there's something about it that reminds me of honey. Just a beautiful, clear, little bit of yellow. I already put sunscreen on, so I'm not gonna put this all over my face. It is very thin. I'll put it under my eyes because who doesn't need some extra moisture? It is what time is it? 51 in the morning. I am running late, but let's put this on. So this feels really good. Put it in my hair. Not totally dry yet. So I really like that. The retail value of that is $48. It feels like a really nice oil. And then the ingredients, all are oils. That's good. Okay, the next product in here is this Studio Makeup. This was the box that it came in. This Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer. It says it's formulated with hyaluronic acid. The price of this is $35. It's a Boxycharm exclusive. So it doesn't mention color. It's telling me to shake it, so I am. Yeah, it's not mentioning any color. Okay, that's gonna be a little bit deep for me, but let's see what we can do. I'm just gonna grab a makeup brush. I do have my a sponge ready, but just in case. So let's just dot this. Yeah, that's significantly dark for me. Let's just try it out. So like I said, I do have my SPF on, so you know, I don't know how it will lay with that. So the shade is off. Once I blend it, it is, you know, more sheer, but you know, I really hope they have this in other colors for other people. This wouldn't work on my mom or my sister. Actually, it might work on my mom. All right, so there's that. I have the Sonia Kashuk sponge that I'm just gonna pat that out a little bit. So, you know, tinted moisturizers, I never expect too much from them. Obviously, they're just a little bit tinted and they're moisturizer, so they're not supposed to have amazing coverage. I'm just looking in the mirror over here. This one, I don't know, did it do anything? Can you tell me? I don't know if I noticed. All right, so there isn't a concealer or anything for brows. So I'm gonna go do both of those things and I will be right back. Or maybe let's just speed it up. All right, I feel more ready to take on the world. So after I've put concealer and stuff, that my under eyes feel awesome, but not at all like oily. Like it really, really dried in. And then the coverage from the Tinted Moisturizer, I think, is fine when you take into account that I use concealer and a little bit of powder. So, all right, this is when things get weird. I got not one, but two highlighting, but three. So I have a liquid highlighter from Eloise that can be used for the body and also the face. This one costs $38. Then I got the powder highlight trio palette from the Creme shop, I guess. This is $18. And then I got the Kinder Beauty, I think it's how you pronounce it. It has highlighters and one marble highlighter for $15. I don't have enough parts of me to highlight this much, but let's try it. So let's start with the liquid one. So this is, I mean, the bottle is beautiful. That's probably more highlight than I'll ever need. It's called Champagne Rich. Love that. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand. But I mean, it's very pretty. Very pretty. Okay. I mean, should I use a different highlighter for the different parts of my face? I'll use some for my eyes, I guess. So this one is not tacky. It's not tacky, but I feel it. Is anything happening? Oh yeah, there's something happening. This is pretty. I'm getting down with this one. Then let's try. This is the one that I thought looked really pretty. So this is the Kinder palette, and it looks so pretty. The packaging is plastic, looks pretty, but look at these. I did swatch them, but let me swatch them for you. So I guess there's a light, medium, and deep shade, and then this marble shade. So all feel pretty smooth. The light shade is a little bit of, has a yellow undertone, and then there's peach and a little bit of bronze. And then on the end here, right at my knuckles, is a little bit of icy. So very pretty. And then this is the Creme palette, pretty purple packaging. And this one, this is odd because I thought this was a blush, bronzer, and highlight palette. They're saying all three are highlights. But look at these colors. Very yellow, then bronze and blushy. So I think I'm gonna use the Creme shop for my eyes, and then I'll use the Kinder palette for my face. Let's see how this goes. So I'm just using the Persona double-ended brush. I actually got that from a Boxycharm. So I'll use this little bit of yellow shade, and then the marble I think is the prettiest. Do I put it in the same place? I mean, I'm wearing a mask today, so. What time is it? I gotta hurry up. I gotta hurry up. Okay, I'm gonna use now the marble shade on my nose. Okay. I just find this ironic that I got this many highlighting products when I like highlight and I certainly use a little bit of it, but I'm not like a crazy highlighter. That's not what I personally do a lot of. So now I have several to choose from. As of right now, the Eloise one is winning, the liquid one. That looks pretty cool. Okay, let me throw together an eye look using this palette. And if you don't know this, you can use powders anywhere on your face. I mean, just be careful with some of the ones with carmine in them that can stain areas of your face, but I'm sure there's a different formulation, but I've never experienced a difference. Like I've never seen like, oh, you better really not use that bronzer on your eye. I'm glowing to the gods here, people. I don't know about this yellow one. Oof. No. I don't. The yellow shade in this is almost matte. It reminds me of a not as good version of the French vanilla one from Laura Geller, if you know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go into the Kinder palette and pull out the marble for my actual inner corner and lid, because I think this one's just a little bit prettier. black eyeliner, mascara, save everything. Okay, so I just used the Big Papa mascara on my top lashes, the Thrive Cosmetics on the bottom, and then the Physicians Formula Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Serum Eyeliner, whatever. All right, so let me put on a lipstick and then let's look at what I got here. Well, you know what I got here? I have nothing besides highlight, so there you go. Let's keep the shiny situation going. Buck some lip gloss. So now listen, Boxycharm is never like suggesting that they are a full face in a box palette, like a full face in a box company. So, you know, they're giving us 5 products to try. You know, they're not making it for me to make this video for anyone else. So clearly I need to add some bronzer and kind of like anchor this look a bit. But here's what I have to say. I've been debating whether I should cancel Boxycharm because I'm starting to get products that, I won't necessarily use. I don't think this is going to be the month because I am really excited about this pharmacy oil. It just feels really nice. Like, I know I have it only under my eye, but I'm enjoying this. I'm also surprisingly enjoying this. My favorite cream, I guess, liquid highlight is the Charlotte Tilbury Spotlight Wand. I'd love to compare the two of them, but it was really easy to put on and I liked the finish of it. The Tinted Moisturizer is not something I'll get too much use out of. I mean, it's fine, but I would usually use, actually I think it's a little bit dark right here. I would usually use my Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. At least it has a little SPF in it. This one doesn't, but it does have hyaluronic acid, so maybe that will do something throughout the day. And out of the 2 highlighting palettes, I think this Creme Studio one is going to go to my daughters, and the Kinder Glow is actually pretty. So I think this will be a nice addition to my collection because, like I said, I don't have a lot of highlights and I don't have a highlighting palette. So I think this will be fun, especially when, my family comes and I want to do a little highlight on them. This gives some other colors. So I think this was a pretty successful box. It's a little lower in price, but I think it's more reasonable in price. You know, sometimes in Boxycharms, they say something is worth, and maybe it is, but something is worth like $120. So why are you giving that to me? I don't understand. So this is a little bit more on par. I'll put on the screen the actual total. But yeah, there you go. And I'm pretty excited that I got my Boxycharm early. So hope everyone has a wonderful day. Happy Friday. Enjoy the weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.